What's up, guys? Good morning and welcome to Nelson-Rigg. This morning I was out getting beauty shots of the 690 Enduro with our trails and luggage on it, and I happened to see Eddie riding down the highway on his CRF300 Rally. So my first look, I saw Eddie on the 300 Rally, was like, dude, that bike is sweet. I wonder if I can hook up with him and we can potentially get some stuff in the future to do some luggage shots. And then as he pulled away, communication was kind of tough between light to light. But as we finally got stopped, I asked him to pull over real quick so I can give him a business card. And as we're riding, I noticed he's doing what most people would do. We're using a traditional gym style duffel bag strapped to the back of your motorcycle with one of my favorite straps out there, the rock strap. That's a super common way to do things. Now, seeing this guy ride down the road, I'm like, you know what? He's going to be heading to San Francisco. He's going to be riding in potentially inclement weather. I'd like to set him up with our brand new 25-liter dry bag that's going to look perfect back here. And that's this guy right here. So the Hurricane 25-liter. Now, what you're going to get out of a motorcycle-specific bag such as this is going to be an internal stiffener here that's going to keep the bag from sagging down over the edges like you have here on the duffel bag. That's going to be key. This is going to be 100% waterproof all the time, so there's no need for a rain cover. I'm sure your duffel bag probably didn't come with a rain cover. Not motorcycle specific. And then when it comes to tying this down, this bag has specific tie downs here on the side. We have molly loops here that our rig strap attaches to. So anyway, right now I'm going to pull a brand new bag out. We're going to assemble it so you can see just exactly how that works and get it mounted up here onto Eddie's CRF300L Rally. Why don't you come on in and join the ride. Let's get the rest. We have instruction sheets that I highly recommend you take a look at and read through. One of the key features of this bag that makes it what it is are our rig straps. These are going to be 4 tie downs we're going to put at 4 different spots of the motorcycle. Pull down each of the 4 corners, giving you perfect tension on all 4 sides. So here we're going to have 3 different stiffeners. This larger stiffener is going to go inside the bag underneath like this and curve, and that's going to allow this bag to maintain rigidity and stability when it gets full. And then these can be added or they can be left out. These actually go in the side of the bag that keep the side stiff as well. So we got that first side into that pocket right there. We're now going to roll this one kind of backwards onto itself. And there we go. Now we're going to reach down here and pull out our 2 side straps. One on that side. That's going to keep the bottom of this kind of in position. So now the neat part about this is this bag is now going to hold its shape while empty. And when it's here on the back of the bike, it's not going to curve down and rest on the turn signals or the exhaust pipe. Now let's go ahead and get each of the 4 rig straps attached. We're going to go 1 at each corner. So it's attached via a girth hitch, which means we're simply going to slide the non-looped end through the looped end and pull tight. All right, there we go. So now we're going to take the duffel bag, set it up here in place. Now the mounting of this bag, we're going to have your rig strap. It's going to come up through this hole right here and attach to the molly loop. So the neat part about this web loop here at the bottom is when your straps come up through that web loop and then attach to the molly, that's going to keep this bag from migrating side to side. It's a key component. With just a traditional strap up over the top, a lot of times what happens is the bag will actually wander from side to side and go over one side versus the other. Now we're done up there. We're going to come back here to the back. Do the same thing. So you want the roll to go backwards, so the wind flow is going to come this way and go up over the bag instead of getting caught in the front of the buckle there. Now this is going to be an additional tie down strap. So you saw how you had the rain cover on the top here. You could actually still roll that rain cover up, set it here on the top, and use these compression straps right here to hold that in place. And that's going to take, you take the extra web strapping, fold it in on itself. That way the loose end is enclosed in the center of that loop. And you just pull that down like that. Now you have all of your webbing is all contained. And we'll do that at each of the 4 corners as well with your rig straps. And there you have it, guys. The installation of the 25-liter duffel bag from Rig Gear Adventure. Again, this is a very easy way to take luggage with you. It's waterproof. It's got internal stiffeners that allow it to hold its shape while it's on the motorcycle, whether it's empty or whether it's full. You're not going to have any of your gear sagging down and hitting your turn signals. It's going to be a super secure mount that's going to keep your gear 100% dry. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about this duffel bag, please leave a comment down below. Eddie's 25-liter duffel bag installation was a huge success, and the bag proved to be super beneficial for him throughout his trip up and down the California coast. 100% waterproof protection securely attached to his bike as he visited places like Pismo Beach, the Bigsby Bridge via the Old Coast Dirt Road, the Golden Gate Bridge, and so much more. To learn more about the Hurricane luggage collection, please click the link in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.